Imagine a world where electricity flows through the air. Free for everyone. With no wires, no power companies, no bills. This was the dream of Nikola Tesla, one of history's most brilliant and misunderstood inventors. Tesla believed that Earth itself could be used like a giant electrical conductor, and that energy could be transmitted wirelessly to homes, machines, even entire cities. He built a massive structure called the Wardenclyffe Tower in New York, designed to tap into the planet's natural electrical charge. His plan? To send powerful electric signals through the ground and the atmosphere, turning the entire Earth into a conductor of free energy. No need for copper wires, no need for fossil fuels, just clean, endless energy, pulled straight from nature. Sounds incredible, right? But there was a problem. Tesla's biggest backer, financier J.P. Morgan, realized something chilling. If electricity was free, how could anyone make money? Funding for Tesla's project was cut. Wardenclyffe Tower was abandoned, and eventually torn down. Tesla died poor and largely forgotten, but his ideas lived on. Today, we transmit data wirelessly every second. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, even experimental wireless power. In a way, Tesla was right all along. Free energy, wireless power, an Earth alive with electricity. Maybe Tesla's dream wasn't so impossible after all.